We're gonna do one quick video for today, guys. Kanang about ni siya ani mga transmitters. I am using the Osmo Pocket 3, which is this one most of the times, and nakanindot sa Osmo Pocket 3 is that you can use this transmitter, the DJI mic, to direct. So wala na kailaing mga i-plug nga to. You can use this directly to the camera. But the problem now is that kanang this is heavy. Kung imo ning gamiton mo lay-laying shirt. So yeah, I like this. It works. It's very good. But the thing is, na siya better option, which is DJI mic mini. So the mic mini, you can buy it single, like kanilang, just like this. I bought this single. I used to have the black one, but I lost it, so I bought the white one next. So you can just buy this, and the good thing about this is on the go. If you're traveling, if you're vlogging, whatever, you can just charge it on the USB-C. So it's very good. Kani siya. Problema ani niya, this is so light, this is so good. If you put it on your shirt, dili mo laylay mo shirt. But the problem is you need this dock here, or katong, it has a big case that you can charge it, but you might need this dock here to charge it because you have to plug a USB-C here. Kung mawala ni mong dock, and then you have this and you can't charge it. That's the problem with this thing. Nice na kani siya kay gamay. It's so light, it's so easy to use. But the thing is, kung mawala ni mong dock, and if you bought only the dock, and you're fucked up. Wala na siya gamitin mo, di na ka maka-charge ani. Also, kani siya when you try to use this to kanam siya option nga kaning link button imong pisliton, then mo record ang Osmo Pocket 3, mo on yung recording. Kani siya pwede sa ni siya, but the problem is naman ni siya option nga i-click nimo mo vibrate. Kani siya wala. So magamit ko niya kung siya i-click, di siya mo vibrate, so di ko sure kung nag-record ba or unsa. So mo ni siya kung gripe lang, but that's just nitpicking. The only gripe I have with this is may tatog na siya USB-C nga ma-plug ni mo dito. I understand this is so small, so kung butangan mo USB-C plug, mara na siya mapuang na siya. But yeah, you would need a dock. The dock is so tiny. Kung mawala ni mo ang dock, you're fucked up. So that's my quick review. This is not my official review. If papilion ko aning duha, I'd go for this. Although it's heavy, but the thing is, naghangag option, it records. Pwede ka mag-plug og kanang microphone, and then pwede sa ka magkanang lav mic. So yeah, that's it. Mga nawong client, gotta go. By the way, I'm not sponsored anyway. This thing, it's just my money. Yeah. So niabot akong client kanina, so I have to stop filming. And the thing is, regarding this. Two again, I prefer using this because the thing is, USB-C charging. If you're traveling, USB-C charging, mo kuan pud siya, mo record. And the thing is, kanang kung imong i-press ang record, kanang link button mo play man mo kuan man ang recording sa Pocket 3. And if you use this, kanang mo vibrate siya, so kabaw ka nag-video ka or nag-press ka sa record, kani siya dili siya mo vibrate. And you need a dock, but ang nakanindot niya is gaan. Ibutang nimo sa shirt, dili mo yat kani siya mo yat. Amo tibalik na ako sulti kanina, nakalimutan ko song ipanulti kanina gud kay nagdali ko kanya abot akong kliyente. So anyway, and I just realized akong kliyente na Bisaya. So nadunggan ko na Bisaya, katawanan ta kayo. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Again, I'm not sponsored by DJI with this thing. I just bought this with my own money, and yeah, muna siya. I used my own money, and yeah, muna siya. Sige na, mato na ko. Gabi na. Bye.